So today's classes are going to, or class is going to be a TILLER bracelet. And I know a lot of you have seen these. I know like a lot of stores sell them. But we have a much more unique way to do it. How I came across this was someone had purchased one at Marshall's for like $29 and it broke because it was on elastic. And then all of a sudden, like 2 weeks later, someone else brought in a broken one, then someone else brought a broken one, and I said, nope, I'm going to replace that for you, but I'm going to do it using Fireline. So I will show you my version of the TILLER bracelet. So this is one of my favorite ones. One of my male clients does a lot of black and silver and does a guy bracelet version. It comes out really cool. And then here are just some samples of other colors. Just really fun. You know, like I said, this was not my idea, although I've always sewed TILLER bracelets. I have these in all sizes in over 100 colors, except the quarter tillers that are in here only come in about 32 colors. But we carry all of them. And this kit's going to contain a lobster claw with chain and your 11 seed beads. So we'll get started. You will need 8-pound Fireline, only about a yard, because we're going to go through this 2 or 3 times. And at 1 yard, so that's 1 arm length versus the 2 arm lengths that we normally do. Your tulip needles, size 11. Your nips, whatever you're going to use for your cutters. And then in the kit, there'll also be the lobster claw, the chain, and the 11 seed beads. So we'll get started.